Hey everyone, if AnyDesk is showing a network error, failing to connect, or disconnecting repeatedly, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you several simple fixes to help restore your connection and get AnyDesk working again. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. AnyDesk depends on a reliable network connection, and temporary outages can trigger network errors. Next, restart your modem or router and reboot both devices. Yeah, refreshing the network can solve many connection-related problems. If you're using a VPN or proxy server, try turning it off temporarily. I mean, certain network routes can interfere with AnyDesk connections. Make sure AnyDesk is allowed through Windows Firewall or your antivirus software. So blocked network permissions can prevent successful connections. Switch to another network if possible. You know, some internet providers or networks may temporarily block remote desktop traffic. Incorrect date and time settings can sometimes cause network authentication problems. Yeah, make sure your system clock is set correctly. Make sure you're using the latest version of AnyDesk. Updates often include connection improvements and bug fixes. Clearing your DNS cache may help resolve connection problems. I mean, corrupted network records can sometimes interfere with communication. If the network error continues, uninstall and reinstall AnyDesk completely. So a fresh installation can repair damaged network components. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. Yeah, temporary server issues can affect connections for many users. If nothing works, contact AnyDesk support for additional help. They may be able to identify deeper network or account-related issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the AnyDesk network error problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.